Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Innisfree Brightening Pore Serum Special Kit. I have been trying this kit since a while now, about a month I would say, and I have recommended this to 5-6 of my friends and even my mom, who has fallen in love with this terribly, because I cannot wait to tell you my observations on this kit and how much it has improvised my skin. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna begin with the price point of this product first. Now this box, this entire kit retails for 2750 rupees, and it has got 4 things inside this. The first is their best product from here. This is Innisfree Brightening Pore Serum. This is a vitamin C serum which alone retails for 2750 rupees, but when it comes with the kit you get 3 other things along with it, so which is a steal if you ask me. Now second one is Innisfree Brightening Pore Skin, and this is basically a toner which is at least gonna be lasting you 30 uses, because you barely need 2 drops of this one. I don't use it with a cotton pad, I use it on my hands and then I tap it over my face, and that is it. Barely 1 to 2 drops is enough. Now third one would be Innisfree Brightening Pore Sleeping Mask. Now this one I have used religiously since a month, and I have seen my skin glowing every morning, and you know, it's clean, it's glowy, and it's very soft and plumpy in the morning when I wake up. I love this one. And the last one, again my favorite product, Innisfree Brightening Pore Facial Cleanser. Again this one I've been using since more than a month now, and twice a day, sometimes 4 times a day, sometimes 3 times a day. And believe me when I say this, that this will not lather up, but this cleanser will wipe off your makeup, your waterproof makeup. It will wash like magic, like a makeup remover. I'll talk about detailed part of all of these products, but before that we'll talk about what are these products made up of and why is it so special, why is it the most the best products of Innisfree, if you would ask me, because I've been using Innisfree since years now and I have been in love with every product of theirs. But when we come to this kit, this brightening pore kit of Innisfree, I am going to stick to this kit, believe it or not. You're going to see this in every video of mine. The same cleanser, the serum, the toner and the sleeping mask is going to be there with me forever. Once this gets over, I'm gonna be purchasing the bigger version. Now all of these products are made up of Hallabong. If you ask me, that's kind of orange, but not a typical traditional orange that we get in the market. It's available in Jeju Island, and Hallabong peels are used to make these products. Now why Hallabong is better than orange? Because of its storage quality. You can store it much more time than the typical oranges. That's what is a great variant. Now the peels of the Hallabong is much more thicker than the typical traditional orange that we use and find in our daily market. And Hallabong is filled with vitamin C, and considering its storage quality, because we can store it for more time, it will not oxidize in the bottle itself, and we can use it for a longer run than the typical vitamin C serums available in the market. Now why vitamin C? Vitamin C is something which inhibits the melanin production in your skin. Now how does it help, and what help does it get to your skin? It will remove and reduce all the hyperpigmentation, the dark spots in your skin and the sun tans that you get everywhere, and basically even out your skin. And also, not to forget, it would enhance the radiance in your skin, it would brighten up your skin. Now by brightening up, I am not talking about being fair, I'm talking about a bright skin, which refers to a glowy skin, the glow that you get from within, which does not mean fair. Along with vitamin C, these products also contain vitamin B3, vitamin B5 and vitamin C. Vitamin B3 is used to remove all the blemishes and the pigmentation from your skin, And vitamin C use, we already know how that's used and why it's used. And about vitamin B5, it's used to soothe our skin, it's used to heal our skin, it's used to protect our skin basically. Now we are going to be talking about each product in detail. We'll first talk about Innisfree Brightening Pore Skin. Now this one is basically a toner that you can use every day. I have used this toner twice daily, in the morning and before I sleep. Now the use of this toner, I have been in absolute love with Innisfree toners, if you ask me. I have loved their Innisfree Volcanic Super Volcanic toner. If you people have used, you would know how firm, how glowy and how tight and so smooth and soft your skin feels after using that toner. I know it's probably not the use of basically toner, but believe it or not, just give this one a single try without using any other product, and you would come to me telling how good it is. I don't use it with a cotton pad because it would be wastage of product that I don't want, because basically you need 2 drops and 2 drops would get absorbed in your cotton pad, so I don't. And this one lasted me 1 month. This is a sample size that I got in this kit. The original one is a lot bigger than this one. Now what this one has done is it made my skin glowy, it made my skin look fresh, my pores got shrinked in a while now, and my skin feels more firm and tight. The way I used to feel before, it's not anything like that. I did not break out at all in this 1 month. Just it was once when I had traveled to my hometown and I had lots of oily and fast food, so I broke out here, and this is one scar. Other scars that I had on my face is pretty much gone, almost gone. I would not say these products are just magic and next day you're gonna be waking up with a beautiful fresh skin with no scars, no pigmentation, nothing like that. No product can be magical, darling. It's just skincare, and skincare takes months to come up, but this one, in 1 month you're going to see a tremendous amount of change in your skin, and no kidding about it. Now my next product would be Innisfree Brightening Pore Facial Cleanser. Now this cleanser I've been using twice a day, as I said, and sometimes 3-4 times when I'm using makeup. Now this one is available in 50 ml in this kit, but I think the original one would be around 150 ml or something. But nevertheless, I have been using this since a month religiously, and this one did not even finish until now because I barely needed this much and it lasted on me. Now the best part about all of this is, even if some days I feel lazy to double cleanse my face and I have makeup on my face and I have to just cleanse it with a cleanser, with a facial cleanser or a face wash, whatever you call it, this one removes all of the waterproof makeup so easily. So it's kind of a milky cleanser. It won't lather up to foam and all the way the normal cleansers in the market are. This is not like that. You'll feel like a creamy substance. It will leave the moisture intact in your skin. It will not pull out any kind of moisture and leave your skin dry and dehydrated the way you feel after washing your face with any kind of face wash. And also the best part, after washing my face, it leaves my face glowy, bright and soft and smooth with its moisture intact. So this one I highly recommend. Now my next product will be Innisfree Brightening Pore Sleeping Mask. This comes in 20 ml and the bigger bottle that is available in Nykaa, the full size one, is I guess 100 ml or something. But this one I have been using this again since a month, but it's not like I use it every day. Every 3 days I use Pixi Glow Tonic, and when I use that I do not use any kind of other products because it might mix up with that, as it is a chemical exfoliant. So I use this every 2 days, you might say, and it's still there. It has small granule like particles inside it, and you could you barely need a peanut or 2 peanut size of product, and it would you just have to melt it in your skin. It smoothens out your skin. Your skin feels smooth and glowy and radiant in the morning. Now this kit has been very close to my heart because of the way it has performed on my skin, because of the glow that I have got on my skin, because of the brightness it has added to my skin. So this one again highly recommended. If you have acne prone skin, or if you have a problem in your skin where you need a little amount of glow for your skin, go for it, go and try it, you will never regret. My last product is the king of all. It's Innisfree Brightening Pores Serum. This is the vitamin C serum in this kit, and this is the best. So I'll talk about the packaging of this product. This comes in a dropper form like this. Now when I'm opening this, you can see, I'll keep it close. When I'm opening this, you can see the cap coming out. There is a dropper here which comes up, which means it, once I rotate the cap, the product pulls itself out. There is a dropper inside, and I'll show you how it looks like. See, you can see that the product has pulled out itself in here in the tube, and it's pretty much clear. So inside the tube, if you find any vitamin C serum brown inside the tube, then I must tell you that please do not use it again, because the vitamin C in the serum has already oxidized itself. Now when it gets oxidized, I guess it will be of no use to your skin. Now this one is colorless, and it does not have that brown texture, and it's pretty much fine to use. And as I said, Hallabong can be stored for a long time. That's one reason why the vitamin C inside these products is completely active. It's completely, you know, much more helpful than the normal vitamin C serums available in the market. Now I've been using this since a month now, and people around me have been asking, what are you using on your face? Your face is glowing, your face has become bright, you've gotten fair. Are you using something to increase your fairness, or are you trying to get fair? Are you trying to get bright and all? So no, I have been telling them, no, this is just this kit which has gotten my face bright and glowy and radiant, and I'm not trying to get fair by any means. I am just trying to brighten my face and remove the scars from my face, and this one is helping like magic. I have recommended this to so many people. I will keep recommending this one. Please go for it. Now when I tried this kit, I know that once all of this gets over, I am going to repurchase the toner, the cleanser, and the sleeping mask, the full size one, because why? It has helped my skin so much, making it radiant and glowy and subtle and smooth, that I want to keep using it. For trial basis, you can get the kit itself, and as I said, the serum comes in full size, so you can have the serum. I have seen people glowing in 2 days using this kit and the serum. They have come back to me and to tell me that how it has improvised their skin. I am recommending this with my own experience after trying it for 1 month. My review would never be biased. When I tell you to buy this and try this, I honestly and genuinely feel it from my heart, and I have never recommended any product in my life so much to anybody. This one has to be there. This one will be there. I will keep using this until the stock keeps on coming from Innisfree. I'm going to show you 3 parts of my skin. One was after 2 weeks of using this, before using this, and now after using it. So you will figure out a little bit of difference in my skin, in the texture, in the bright and radiant effect that I have gotten on my skin. I shoot on my phone. I am not sure if you would be able to clearly make out what kind of difference it has brought to my skin, but let me tell you, this has brightened up my skin to the extent that you cannot imagine. So yeah, that was my short review for Innisfree Brightening Pore Serum Special Kit. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content, and do not forget to click that bell icon under the video to not miss an update from my channel. See you soon in my next video, guys. Bye bye.